Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Altice One remote not working and how to fix. Okay, so guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry, we are going to solve this issue by each step. Okay, so first of all, check the battery. Open the battery compartment cover, remove the old batteries, and check for the corrosion or damage on the old battery. Okay, and if damage or corroded, replace with new battery. Okay, and insert the new battery matching positive and negative end with correct polarity. So, so our second step is repair the Altice One remote. Press the home button on your Altice remote and navigate to the setting and select remote. After this, choose the option to pair Altice One remote. And before clicking the pair remote, hold down the 7 and 9 buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds to enter pairing. Okay? And after holding the button, click the pair remote control. Place the remote close to the Altice receiver to establish a connection. If the pairing process unsuccessful, hold the 7 and 9 button again for at least 5 seconds, then press X or home button to exit the pairing screen. Okay. So our next step is reset the Altice One remote. Simultaneously hold down the 7 and 9 button for few seconds. Let go the button and then press the power button for attempt a reset. Try using a remote again with your cable box to see if the volume functionality has been restored. Okay. Then contact the Altice support. If the issue persists after troubleshooting, reach out the Altice customer support. Like click on this premium.com and contact us. Here you can see it will take some time to open the website due to it's depend upon your internet speed. Now it's open. Here you can see the contact number and which area in your every area there are different type of contact number. You can contact by which area you are in belong to. Okay, so this is the all step. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.